Welcome to our full guide on the State Farm Drive Safe and Save program for 2025. Today, we'll explore how you can save money and drive safer. With Drive Safe and Save, safer driving can lead to lower insurance costs, rewards, and peace of mind. Let's review who can participate in this program. You'll need to meet certain eligibility criteria, including having an active State Farm auto insurance policy. Now, let's go through step-by-step instructions to set up your Drive Safe and Save program. First, you'll need to download and install the Drive Safe and Save app from your App Store. Once the app is downloaded, either create your State Farm account or log in using your existing credentials. Next, connect your vehicle by following the prompts to set up vehicle tracking for monitoring your driving habits. The app will monitor habits such as acceleration, braking, and speed to help assess your driving performance. You can analyze your progress and see potential rewards directly within the app, keeping you motivated. Lastly, we'll address some frequently asked questions and offer troubleshooting tips to ensure smooth sailing.